thought sealing porcelain would protect it forever, until the tiles started peeling, the sheen dulled, water no longer beaded, and a sticky film began to crack. That's when he realized he didn't need more sealant. He needed to strip it, but safely. No harsh fumes, no tile damage, no shortcuts. So he suited up. Gloves and goggles. Choose a water-based stripper designed for porcelain. Applied. Waited. Gently scrubbed with a red pad and neutralized every last drop. The result? Tiles that looked brand new, without a scratch, protected, clean, ready for a fresh start. He didn't just save his floor. He learned the difference between sealing and sealing smart. And now, he never skips the test drop, never forgets the gear, and always checks the label. Check out the full article at abbeyfloorcare.co.uk. Start smart, strip safe.